Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today's video is going to be all about my 2021 favorites. This year I really just took the time to, get to know myself. It's been a crazy freaking 2 years. So this year I spent a lot of time pampering myself, doing things for me, and indulging in things that I love, which has been amazing to me. So I'm going to share with you guys my absolute favorites of this year. And while we're on the topic, I want to mention today's sponsor, Vush. They are all about your self-love journey, and you guys can check out their website and purchase any of their products using my code 20NIAG. Myth, that is one of their top tier items, so check that out. That is on my favorite list for this year. It will be linked down below. Now let's get into it. So we're going to start off with makeup. My favorite lip gloss, which I'm actually wearing right now, is the Nyx Milky Glo. Like, I'm pretty sure every other girl watching this have been wearing Nyx for years, but there's something in this Milky Gloss formula that is different. It is super milky, super glossy, super texturized. Like, I just love the way it feels, and it never gets sticky and nasty. I have the color Milk and Cookies and Milk. This is my most recent purchase. Milk and Honey, which you guys can tell is almost out, literally, and Milk It Pink, and this is halfway there. My absolute faves. They make my lips feel so soft, so supple. Next is the Benefit Brow in the color 2.75. I have really full, really dark, natural eyebrows, so I feel like I don't need much. So I wanted to relax my eyebrows a bit, so I went a little lighter than I normally have been going, and I absolutely love that brow pencil. If you guys don't see me in any makeup at all, just know that my brows are always done in the Benefit Brow. The way that the pencil is, and I feel like it lasts so long. I feel like I'm always having to replace my brow pencils, but that one gives me a couple months before I need to replace it. Next is the Milk Hydro Grip. Look, I got this a couple months ago, maybe 3-4 months ago, and it's a mini, but you guys can see how little I've used, and that little goes such a long way, and I feel like it's changed the way that I've done my makeup and the way that my makeup has finished, and I absolutely love it. And next is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I've had mine for a while. I've been using it for over a year, and I can say it is one of the best finishing sprays that I have ever had, and I will definitely be replacing it. I'm almost out. I love it. It is the freaking best, and it feels so refreshing, and it doesn't leave little spots all over my face. Top tier. The Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I've been using it since I first started using makeup, probably like 5 years ago. But after a year or two of using it, I decided to venture out into other foundations for my face. But this whole entire year I've been reaching for it, and you guys can check out my most recent makeup tutorial. A new one will be coming shortly, but that has been my absolute favorite this year, and I think I've used it more than any of my others because I've been really into a natural, soft, glowy look, and it gives skin, and that's all I need. Like, for the most part, I do have pretty clear skin, so it's been getting the job done. Next, perfume. I've been loving Chloe by Chloe. It is so cute and so girly, and I recently got it. It was a gift, and every time I smell it, I'm like, oh my gosh, what is that? Like, I don't have it, but I freaking love it. It is one of my favorite perfumes. Like, it captures the entire room. And next is Tom Ford. As you guys know, I have Effing Fabulous by Tom Ford, and I tried out Soleil Blanc by Dossier, and I'm so happy. I love the Dossier program, the way that you can buy a luxury perfume after trying the Soleil Blanc. Once I'm out of the Dossier version of it, it is called Floriental Coconut. I will be definitely buying the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Like, it is amazing. Also, the cherry, I don't even remember what it's called, but it's the cherry Tom Ford. Amazing. Tom Ford is a beast when it comes to perfumes. My absolute favorite perfume brand. Next, we're going to get into my favorite products for my body. Of course, my first is Sheaomi. It is an all-natural shea butter for your body, and it makes me feel so glowy, so soft, so supple. Like, I love it, and it smells so good, but it also doesn't overpower like whatever smell good perfume I want to try on top of it. But you can also wear it on its own and just smell like that, and it's just as good. I love it so much. My absolute favorite. Next is the Organic Tampons. I've been using them since, I want to say 2020, but I sometimes would, you know, sway back and forth between like the regular Tampax brand, but no, that is my favorite, and I love that they sell them in such a large quantity of regular and sell them as regular and super plus, you know, absorbency. It's up to your discretion what you feel like you need, but they sell so many, so you don't have to go back every single month to purchase more of them, and they're right at Target, like so easy. Next is the Derma E face wash. I use the daily face scrub, but this is a deep pore acne scrub. My face was going crazy after my last vacation. I have small little acne bumps. I had dry skin. My skin was peeling from being in the sun too much, and I used that for like maybe 2 or 3 days, and it cleared my skin up so freaking fast, and I'm never letting go of it at all. Next, we're going to go into my favorite clothing. Check out all of the hauls that I have on my channel. I have so many hauls and so many unboxings and reviews of these products. Some of these things I have not shown on my channel, and some of these things I have shown, but let me get right into it real quick. So first, the Marc Jacobs Snapshot bag. That bag I was fawning over it for over a month before I decided to purchase it. That's something that I do so that I make sure I don't buy things that I'm not necessarily going to love or use. I had my eye on it for a while. I waited it out. I purchased it. I loved it. It is a really good travel bag. It's a good everyday bag too, of course, but I noticed that every trip that I went on, I made sure that I bought it because it has a space for your cards, it has space for money, it has space for your hand sanitizer, lotion, all that. It is a perfect bag. It is a great size. It's not bulky. It's not in the way. The strap is thick, so you don't find it falling off of your shoulder in the way that like maybe a skinnier shoulder strap might. Straps are something that I favor. It's also super lightweight, and I just enjoy wearing it. Also, obviously, I love my tail bars. I got my pink tail bar this year, and that's also something that I grab for all the time. But I would say that is a good travel bag. And my favorite everyday bag is obviously my Gucci Dionysus, which I have right here. Also, like I mentioned in the unboxing video, I was super proud of myself for being able to purchase my first luxury bag all on my own. Like, what? So that was a big achievement of mine. Also, it's perfect for every day. It serves its purpose. I literally grab it every time I'm ready to run errands, or even switch it up and wear it on a cute little day out. Perfect bag, very versatile. Also, my Yeezy foam runners. Okay, when I first saw them, I was like, what the heck? But having a pair, they were also a gift from my bestie Naomi. But having them, I was wearing them the freak out. Okay, they go with literally any outfit. I love them. Okay, I wear them all the time. I haven't been wearing them as much lately because it's cold, but oh my gosh, the perfect shoe. Clearly, I'm either going out to run errands or I'm going out to actually do something cute, but I really don't just go out just casually anymore as much as I used to. But those shoes are the freaking bomb. My absolute favorite. Next, in shoes, I finally got a pair of Jadons, which you guys will get to see my review. I've worn them already. I've been eyeing Jadons for a long time. Like I said, when I make a purchase, I want to make sure it's the right thing. When they first started making Jadons about 2 years ago, I wanted them, but I was kind of wary because I already have black Doc Martens that have laces and they are shiny, so I wanted something a little bit different, and they finally came out with the ones that I got, so I will show you guys that. I also love my Chloe Betty boots. That's one of my favorite trends that I'm so happy that I indulged in because they're so cute. I've been loving boots honestly lately. I think shorter boots, I've found what works for me with my height and my body size and body type, all that stuff. Shorter boots, a little bit higher than ankle boots, my fave. But my Jadons are freaking everything. Since I got them, I have been wearing them with every outfit. I have so many outfits in my head of how to possibly style them. Perfect boots, perfect fit, perfect everything. Probably my favorite Doc Martens to date, and I have so many Doc Martens. I've been wearing Doc Martens for maybe 10 plus years at this point, and I must say that these are my favorite, and these will probably make it much further than my others have, although I have worn out plenty of pair of Doc Martens in my day. My Skims Cotton Collection leggings are everything. I also did a try on and review of those, but I think I'm going to do a full-on Skims review sometime in the near future, because I have tried. That was my first Skims purchase, and as an experienced Skims buyer, this is also a Skims top, it's a Skims bodysuit, but the Skims Cotton Collection leggings, I literally put them on, I want to say every day, every other day, and I honestly need more. I have the Fits Everybody collection, which is amazing. I got them in a XX, yeah, extra small. They fit amazing, but I love my cotton collection. Those are my go-to. You can wear them with any kind of top, any kind of shoes. I love them, and I think my next cotton collection purchase will probably, I will get another color. I wish they had a few more color range. Maybe I would do like a navy blue or something like that. I don't think they have navy blue, but I love them, and they also come in white. Final selection is in pajamas. I love pajamas. I've loved pajamas for freaking years now. They make my bedtime so much better. Like, I don't know, I just feel fabulous wearing a matching set of pajamas. So I'm gonna let you guys know my favorite pairs of pajamas. I recently, during the Skims Black Friday sale, I got the Skims pajama dress. I'll show you guys a picture. It's kind of short and it's long sleeve. These pajamas, they're super stretchy. They're so soft. They literally feel like a cloud, and the color is not, purple is not a color that I would generally wear, but it's literally pajamas. Like, who gives a freak? I feel like there's no rules when it comes to pajamas. So I absolutely love these. Look at the stretch. These are an extra small, but I feel like I could have done an extra small. I love the way that Skims stretch feels. Like I just said, I need to do a full-on review of everything that I purchased from Skims, things that have worked and things that have not. Next, my Target pajamas. I actually just ordered another pair of Target pajamas. I have, I think, 5 pairs of Target pajamas, but my favorite pair is this burgundy silk pajama set. It came wrapped in a little cute little box. They always sell them like that, and it came with an eye mask, which I actually do use from time to time, especially when I'm having trouble sleeping. So pretty, so soft, and it smells so good. Like, when I wash my clothes, like, the detergent just stays in them. I love them. They're my absolute favorite, and I'm always trying to wear them, but I've been chilling on them lately because I've been obsessed with my Skims. My next favorite pajama set is this cream set. It is a tank top and a short set from H&M. Again, soft as I don't know what. Feels like a cloud, feels like a baby, and I'm definitely going to be purchasing all those pajamas that I just mentioned in another color into the new year. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other unboxings, hauls, everything, my favorites of everything, wish lists, everything, because I'm really trying to put you guys on. That's all for today's video. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys next time.